MedWorks is a new program. It's a discovery-based program to introduce kids to the healthcare industry. It's an exploration-based program where they can just do hands-on, learn hands-on skills, do different simulation exercises, meet with industry partners to get them interested in a career pathway. MedWorks is located in Malvern, Pennsylvania. We're at the Malvern Family Service Center in Chester County, right outside of Philadelphia. We have 3 events planned for MedWorks in October. We have a teddy bear clinic for grades K through 5, a germ detectives event for grades 5 through 8, and a human anatomy and physiology question and answer session for the high school age set. We have 2 sessions planned for each event. If you're interested in more events at MedWorks, please keep an eye on the EDIO tile, or you can email me at medworks@ccaeducate.me.